Hello, fourth grade. This is our review of Adages and Proverbs. Little quick video before we get started. If you want to pause me, go to this YouTube video. It is a really quick one. I think it's only maybe a minute long, and it'll tell you the difference between adages and proverbs versus idioms, all these different types of figurative language that we've been working with. So remember, adages and proverbs are short sayings that state a truth or give simple advice. They're easy, quick reminders of life lessons that many people believe are true. Many are handed down by word of mouth and traditional literature for many generations. You'll see it in books, for example, rubbed them the wrong way. You'll hear people say them, so that's word of mouth, and then you'll also find them in books. Remember, words in proverbs and adages are like idioms, and that's why I had you look at that video first thing. Remember, the words have a special meaning when we're using them in a proverb or an adage, and when we're using them in an idiom. Remember, it's raining cats and dogs is an idiom. Figurative language, that does not mean that literally cats and dogs are coming down from the sky. Okay? So why it's figurative is because what you're doing is different from the literal meaning. Again, a couple more idioms for you. Figurative language, on the ball, does not mean you are standing on a ball. Okay? It means you're on task or you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. Once in a blue moon, this one actually is pretty close. A blue moon is 2 full moons in 1 month. Now, we do have one coming up this year in 2020, in October of 2020, because we have a full moon on the 1st of October and then a full moon on the 31st of October on Halloween. So that is a blue moon. 2 full moons in a month is a blue moon. Does not happen very often, so it's once in a blue moon. And lastly, at the drop of a hat, again, has nothing to do with you dropping a hat. It means just you're ready to go. Oh, well, I can do that at the drop of a hat. I can do it right now. Now, some adages and proverbs, just so you can get the difference. First one is actions speak louder than words. Now again, words and actions don't speak. There's a little personification going on there. But what it means is what people do has more effect than what they say. Because people can say they're going to do or not do something, but it's only when they actually do it or don't do it that you believe them. So actions speak louder than words. Second one, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So it's easier to show or explain something through a picture than through words. Number 3, all that glitters is not gold. Now this one is a little tricky because we think, oh, gold glitters, so gold has value. Well, then things that look good outwardly or may glitter may not be as valuable or good like gold. Fourth one, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, meaning no matter how big a task is, it starts with a small step. You have to start somewhere. You have to get started. Even if it looks like a lot, small steps will get you there. A single step will get you there. Number 5, one of my mom's favorites, one of Mrs. Corlew's favorites, don't cross a bridge until you come to it, or she will often say, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it, which means we'll deal with the situation when it happens and not worry about it in advance. Again, so we'll say, oh, well, this is the plan, but if this happens, well, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. We'll worry about it when it happens. Number 6, absence makes the heart grow fonder. When the people we love are not with us, we love them even more. So maybe all those little things that would maybe irritate us about a person when they're with us all the time, well, maybe when they're not with us all the time, we kind of forget about those little things that maybe bothered us. And lastly, don't judge a book by its cover. This is a very common one. Just like you can't form an opinion of a book just by looking at its cover, you can't form an opinion about someone or something from how they look. So again, you're not judging by an outward appearance. Special thank you to these two websites. Some of the examples, a lot of the examples that I have shown you today came from those two websites. So that was very helpful for me to use those. Okay. All right. I will talk to you later. Bye.